In this video, I'm going to show you how to deposit Solana to Axiom Pro. So the first thing you'll need is an Axiom Pro account. There's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment. And if you sign up using my link, you'll get a 10% discount on all trading fees forever. So make sure to check that out. Axiom Pro is one of the best platforms for trading meme coins. It's packed with a lot of premium features completely for free, such as the Twitter tracker, the wallet tracker, an amazing P&L tracker, a great reward system which basically gives you Solana back for just trading and using the platform, and also they have the turbo mode which makes transactions faster, etc. So make sure to check it out. As I said, link down below. To actually deposit Solana on here, it's quite simple. You want to go over here top right where you can see the blue deposit button, click on that, and then over here it says deposit. Now of course you have Solana selected. Over here you can see your current balance, and this one is your deposit address. You want to copy your deposit address, and then you want to head over to one of your exchanges or platforms where you are currently holding some Solana. So for example, let's say that's going to be Phantom. Let me just show you how to do this. So let's say you're holding some Solana over here on Phantom. Let me just quickly log in. There we go. And then on whatever platform you're using and you have some Solana on, click on send and then select Solana. And then when it asks for recipient Solana address, make sure you paste this address in, type in how much you would like to send, and if you have sufficient balance, you will be able to press next and send, and within just a few seconds, over here onto your account inside Axiom, the Solana will be deposited. Now, if you do not have any Solana anywhere, you can also buy it over here by clicking buy, which as you can see is quite convenient. It's powered by Coinbase. You can do it very easily. Or if you're holding any USDC, you can just basically convert USDC into Solana in no time over here. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.